Okay, so once again, it's the question time, and here is our question. You need to make a rectangle with 7 by 3 unit as the dimension, and this unit can be anything. It can be inches, or whatever unit your drawing is in. And then assign hidden line type to the rectangle and a 0.5 line weight, and ensure that these properties are visible in the drawing area. So here we have this drawing, and I'll start with the rectangle. So I'll go to rectangle tool, click at a point. Now I'll type add on the command line and then 7,3 and press enter. So there we have it, the rectangle. Now we need to assign hidden line type, and to assign it we need to first add it in the list. So when I go to properties and I click on the drop down, you'll notice that we don't have the hidden line type. So we need to add it here, and to add it I'll select other. Now click on load and select the hidden line. So let's scroll down. There we have it, the hidden line. Let's click on OK, and now it's added to the list. Click on OK again. So now it is added. We can assign the property. So I'll select the rectangle, click on the drop down and select hidden, and there we have it. Now the properties are also visible clearly, but in case the property of this hidden line type is not visible even after applying the hidden line type, in your case if it is looking like a solid line, then you can select it, then right click and go to properties, and from this property panel you can change this line type scale value. So you can either increase it or decrease it to give it a proper look. So I'll close it for now. Now we need to change the second property, which is the line weight of 0.5. So here we have the line width. Click on the drop down, change it to 0.5, and there we have it, the 0.5 line weight. Now here we have a problem. Even after applying the line weight, it's still showing the line weight of original rectangle. So in order to see the change line weight, click on this line weight display option on the status bar. And there we have it. The changed line weight is now visible. And if this line weight display option is not visible on the status bar, you can go to the customization and add this line weight from here. So that's the final geometry as per our requirement.